In this video, I'll guide you through how to get level 10 on Steam quickly. Reaching level 10 on Steam is a great way to unlock additional profile, customization options, and make your account stand out. The fastest approach is to earn experience points by crafting badges, and in this tutorial, I'll show you where to find everything you need to get started. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to increasing your Steam level using features already built into the platform. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. Once the app has finished loading, sign into your account if you haven't already. Click the Login button, enter your account credentials, and then select Sign In. After logging in successfully, you'll arrive at your Steam homepage, where you can access your games, profile, and community features. Next, click on your profile name near the top of the Steam window. This will take you to your profile page, where you'll find several sections related to your account. Look for the Badges tab and click on it. This page displays every badge you've earned, as well as badges that are available for you to craft. Badges are one of the primary ways to earn experience points on Steam. Every time you craft a badge, you receive experience that contributes toward your overall Steam level. As you continue earning experience, your profile level will steadily increase. To craft badges, you'll need complete sets of trading cards. These cards can be earned by playing supported Steam games, trading with other Steam users, or obtaining additional cards through the Steam Marketplace. Once you have collected every card required for a particular set, you'll see the option to craft that badge. Simply click the Craft Badge button for the completed set. Steam will immediately award you experience points and add the badge to your profile. Many badges can also be upgraded several times by collecting additional complete sets for the same game and crafting them again. Each upgrade grants even more experience, making it one of the quickest ways to climb through the early Steam levels. It's also worth checking your badges regularly, especially after playing games that support trading cards. During Steam sales and community events, you may also receive extra card drops or opportunities to collect additional badges, helping you gain experience even faster. That's all there is to it. By collecting trading cards, crafting badges, and upgrading them whenever possible, you can reach level 10 on Steam much more quickly while building a profile that reflects your gaming activity. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your journey to a higher Steam level.